This is the RERIGHT Intelligence Briefing. Today, 9 stories shaping artificial intelligence and how they connect. 2 of China's biggest tech companies have shut down their AI agents. ByteDance and Alibaba disabled autonomous AI features after Beijing tightened regulatory scrutiny. The move reflects China's broader push to maintain control over AI systems that operate without direct human oversight. Both companies removed autonomous capabilities to comply with evolving government requirements. The question now is whether this marks a turning point in how China regulates artificial intelligence. China's biggest tech companies have hit pause on personalized AI agents. Baidu, Alibaba, and Tencent suspended development following new regulatory guidelines from Beijing. The government introduced restrictions to ensure autonomous AI systems meet safety and security standards. The companies are now reviewing their systems to comply before moving forward. The question now is how quickly these tech giants can adapt to the new rules. China's $16 trillion stock market is telling a story of 2 economies. Technology companies, especially AI chipmakers, are surging with roughly 50% gains this year. But consumer stocks are falling behind, revealing an uneven recovery across the broader economy. The market disparity reflects a fundamental question about China's growth trajectory. Whether tech innovation alone can drive sustained economic momentum remains to be seen. Samsung's union won a historic wage victory, but the spoils revealed a deeper divide. Workers secured a record $26 billion bonus package following 2024 negotiations. Younger employees say the bonus structure disproportionately rewards senior staff. The outcome reflects growing labor activism amid South Korea's artificial intelligence gold rush. The question now is whether this generational tension will reshape tech labor organizing across the region. Artificial intelligence is leaving the laboratory and entering the workplace. Companies in manufacturing, finance, and healthcare are moving AI systems from experimental phases into full production. This shift signals that businesses now trust AI reliability and cost-effectiveness enough to integrate it into daily operations. The move marks a turning point from isolated AI projects to industry-wide deployment strategies. The question now is how rapidly this transition will reshape the operational landscape across sectors. A Chinese semiconductor company is making a bold $900 million bet on artificial intelligence chips. Biren is raising capital to accelerate GPU development and expand its manufacturing footprint. The move reflects China's broader strategy to reduce dependence on U.S.-made semiconductors amid trade tensions. The funding underscores intensifying competition in the global AI chip market. The question now is whether Biren can translate this investment into technology that challenges NVIDIA's dominance. Antler is backing a wave of Chinese founders who are building their companies outside China. The venture firm supports entrepreneurs relocating from China to establish operations elsewhere in Asia and globally. Several portfolio companies have moved from demo stage to generating revenue in under a year, a claim few competitors can match. In a market flooded with AI hype, Antler is betting on founders who can prove traction beyond the prototype. The question now is whether this cross-border strategy can scale into a sustainable competitive advantage. China's government is cracking down on how artificial intelligence presents itself to users. Major companies including Alibaba, Baidu, and Tencent have been ordered to strip away AI personas from their chatbots. The move is part of Beijing's broader push to tighten control over generative AI technology and ensure it meets government standards. The directive marks a significant shift in how conversational AI will operate within China. The question now is how this regulatory shift will affect the user experience and competitiveness of Chinese AI platforms. Microsoft is bringing its AI assistants together under one roof. The tech giant is consolidating its consumer and enterprise Copilot applications into a single unified platform. The company is removing underutilized features to strengthen the product's value to customers. The move signals Microsoft's bet that one integrated Copilot can serve multiple markets more effectively. The real test will be whether a single platform can meet the distinct demands of both individual users and large enterprises. That's today's briefing. Explore every story and how they connect on the neural web at rewrite.io. This was Rewrite.